Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
So what do you think about the event so far?
I think it's great. There were a lot of good discussions that are kind of about the elephant in the room for our industry. A lot of hot topics were discussed, such as attention, viewability, what kind of metrics can we measure to further drive the agenda, and how can we make media more efficient and effective.
Just a minute ago, you were talking about creativity and attention deficit. So, what do you think about that for the ones who couldn't watch it?
I feel that creativity needs to, whatever creative ideas we come up with, they need to remain true to our media fundamentals. So, key things about creativity is that the executions themselves need to be scalable, they need to be adaptable to different formats, and they need to be really based and relevant on a specific audience and market insights for them to work out best.
So, let's say we'll be here next year in the same summit. What will we talk about?
I think that if we're here next year in the same summit, there will be a lot of talking about the integration between digital and offline. This is also a very hot topic that a lot of partners are currently working on, such as Google, for example. Another thing I think would be wearables and how can we better utilize the connectivity of mobile across different appliances and gadgets.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.